difference between abstract class and interface. Abstract class can have abstract and non-abstract methods. Abstract class that does not support multiple inheritance. Abstract class can have a final, non-final, static and non-static variables. Abstract class can provide the implementation of interface. Abstract class is used to declare abstract class. That is, abstract keyword is used to declare a abstract class. In interface can have only abstract methods. Since Java 8, it can have a default and static methods itself also. Interface that supports multiple inheritance. Interface has only static and final variables. Interface can't provide the implementation of abstract class. The interface keyword is used to declare the interface. An abstract class can have extended any other Java class and implement multiple Java interfaces. An abstract class can be extended using keyword extends. A Java abstract class can have class members like private, protected. For example, public abstract class shape, public abstract void draw. An interface can extend another Java interface only. An interface class can be implemented using keyword implements. Member of a Java interface are public by default. Public interface drawable, void draw. Final keyword, the final keyword that can be used along with the variables, methods and classes. Final variable, final method, final class. Java final variable. A Java final variable is a variable whose value cannot be changed at any time once assigned. It remains as a constant forever. For example, public class travel, final int speed is equal to 60, void increase speed, speed is equal to 70. So public static void main, string arguments we can pass over here. So travel t is equal to new travel function. So t dot increase speed. So except in thread main, Java language dot error, unresolved compilation problem that has been occurred. The final field travel dot speed that cannot be assigned. The above code will give you a compile time error as we are trying to change the value of a final variable speed. In this, when you declare a method as final, that is called as final method, Java final method. A Java final method that cannot be overridden. Package Java interview point, class name is parent, public final void display function. So display dot out dot println, system dot out dot println, display method of parent class. So public class child which extends the parents, so inheritance. So public void display function, system dot out dot println, display method of a child class. So public static void main, string arguments we are passing over here. So child c is equal to new child function, c dot display. Output, we will get a below error as we are overriding the display message of a parent class. Exception in thread main Java dot language dot verify. Error, class com.java interview point, child overrides final method display. And third one is the Java final class. A final class cannot be extended, cannot be subclassed. Let's took into the below example package com.java interview point, final class parent. Within this final class child which extends the parent concept here. Public static void main, string arguments we are passing over here. So child c is equal to new child. So in output we will get the compile time error like the type child cannot subclass of the final class parent. So exception in thread main java.language error, that is unresolved compilation problem. Now object cloning, the object cloning is a way that to create an exact copy of an object. The clone method of a class object is used to clone of an object. The java.language.clonable interface must be implemented by the class. whose object clone we want to create. If we don't implement clonable interface, clone method generates the clone not supported exception. The clone method is defined in the object class. Syntax of a clone method: a protected object clone throws a clone that not supported a exception.